Hey sisters! Anyways, so before the video starts, we want to give you a context about what LMP is. Since the video is about LMP and Darpan, so LMP is the official theatre team for Department of Commerce, last minute production, so we are a part of it. We are a part of Team Proscenium. There are two other teams, Street and Mime, which you guys will be seeing in the next few minutes or seconds.
And the clips going forward are from Darpan. Darpan was a fest that was held literally a few weeks ago.
Yeah, it's an interdepartmental.
Each and every department of Economics, Department of Commerce, Professional Studies, all of these departments have separate teams, theatre teams, and all.
Shut up.
We hope you guys enjoy it. And I wasn't there, but I didn't know.
Hope you guys enjoy, yeah. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.
We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we can dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up.
Guys, this is Shreya. Hi. She's also part of LMP.
I am.
How do you like LMP so far?
No, it's the best yarn.
The best.
Even though we just won like a award, but it's actually the best yarn. LMP.
What about our seniors? They might be watching this.
There are few who ignore me purposely. I won't take the names, but no, they are very sweet. They are actually very sweet.
Our seniors are amazing. If
Yeah.
you're watching this, guys.
Bro. Polite was you.
I know.
LMP.
Hi guys, meet Nandu. This. Okay, she's also from LMP. She's from Proscenium. How do you like LMP so far? I'm like, great. Yeah. Thank you. Anyways, we'll be seeing our seniors. We'll see you then. Guys, these are our LMP seniors.
Hello there.
Nice, come.
I don't know why Niles is so shy. Niles,
That's nice.
come say hi to the vlog cam.
This
Can we have a vlog cam? Hi there. Hi. The subscriber Kevin is busy playing his Pokemon Go.
Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
Can you be a little more excited?
My Pokemon.
He's figuring his phone.
Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is this
No, you can't swear in whatever.
Mark, come here. Mark is an honorary Mime member.
Hi.
And
Congratulations again. You guys did amazing. Oh shit.
I think that's enough of cameo for today. We will see you in the next vlog, guys. Bye-bye. Put the previous one also.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not even recording. Guys, this is Ellie and this is Aditi. You've met her before, I think. And we met you.
Yeah, Ellie's new.
New intro, new face of the day. I think that
She's
should
like
be your...
our mother, dude. She's like our mother.
I think that should be your pin, like the...
I already made it.
Oh, fuck. That would be hers. Like Ellie just standing over there.
Wait, I didn't get Niles that. Come. It's for YouTube. You got a vlog. Say who's your favorite senior? I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Guys, meet Lavisha and George.
George is not showing his
Who's
face.
your favorite
Oh, guys.
I will not.
You want to see George's eyes, huh?
Oh my god, yes.
It's. Don't you think my eyes are better though? Yeah, good eyes here. Ashwita, I'm not gonna see your vlog. I am not gonna see your vlog. It's your vlog.
Okay. Where did that one go? Hi guys.
Hi.
This is Isha. She's our Proscenium second year. What do you want to say? How do you like our juniors? Like us, first years?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you serious? I don't like your at all.
Oh.
But it's okay. first years are kind of cool.
Yeah, we are.
LMP first years are kind of cool.
LMB first year, restaurant stop. They're going to be watching this.
Join LMP, have a great time.
Yes. Hi guys, meet Trisha and Anshul. Speak now. You guys want to be in the vlog?
Ashwina's biggest fans.
I subscribed to her before she had a YouTube channel.
I watched her live premiere.
He did watch her live premiere. So we are a part of the theatre team in Christ.
We are talented actors.
He's in. So we had an LMP meeting right now, and we're supposed to mingle with people. That's Surya.
That's your street.
Ishan from Street. Ah, where's Vyoma? Vyoma.
Dreamed of her, but I don't know when.
No one cares, yeah. Okay, more people. We have to mingle. This is Saiti. You guys know from the previous vlog.
We're mingling with people we have already mingled.
Yeah.
We need to
Okay.
meet new people.
I need to meet new people. I know, Nishad. Okay, I'll go to Joshua.
Yeah, they want to be in the vlog.
Joshua! I need new faces in my vlog.
Hello, guys.
I'm a big fan.
Dislike.
Shut up, Surya! Yeah, that's Nikita! We are gonna get coffee.
Nandini, black coffee always.
Yes, anyone in Christ, if you guys want black coffee, come to Nandini. This guy only suggested.
Coffee anywhere, come to me.
Yes. Saidi, you also come.
Hi. My signature move.
Yeah,
We did
everyone.
not do it.
Thumbnail. Guys, this is gonna be on my vlog.
I want to be there.
Yeah.
I didn't get in everyone.
It's raining. Yeah. Just introduce yourselves.
Like and subscribe.
Oh my god, no!
That's the only content. Like and subscribe.
So, please, Akshat. This is Akshat.
That's
And I
Akshat.
don't know what to say.
Great argument.
It's fine.
I'm Trisha
No one knows
and
what to
I've
say.
been in this vlog 4 times already.
And she's very lazy.
She's very cool. She's very. We all are at ICH right now. We have some work at 4 o'clock, so we're going to finish that work and then go to either Corner House or Taco Bell. I don't know. We still haven't decided. So, yeah. We're going to Corner House to get ice cream. Okay, so we finished at Corner House. Today was such a fun day.
Oh my god, I loved it so much.
We are waiting for our auto. The rest they all left.
I'm just hoping the Uber driver doesn't cancel on us again because
We need to go home. Like,
yeah, please.
we are gonna sing.
Oh, Akshat,
Yes, everyone is visible now.
Okay, okay.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. What?
तेरे सपनों में मुझे लगता है कि बात दिल की होती लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी तुम साथ हो या ना हो क्या फर्क है बेदर्द है अगर तुम साथ हो
Straight दिल में लगा bro.
We could have had it all. You had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it to the deep.
It's like when Sunil sings and Nikita
It's just me fangirling bro. Oh bro.
Bro, Josh hai bro. You should just join in. It doesn't matter.
So Simran singing via the piano.
Hey guys, I'm sorry about my voice. First of all, I'm drinking cold coffee with a bad throat, but it's coffee. Who cares? Anyways, that's not why I'm here. I'm here to talk about my experience in that one because I realized I did not talk about that throughout the entire video. I just want to say that I had an absolute blast. It was my first time doing theatre. So I was obviously a little scared, a little nervous. Due to the pandemic, my communication skills, well, I did not know how to speak to people once we all shifted to the offline mode. So, but still, I made so many amazing friends. And okay, yeah, special mention for all our seniors who put in so much hard work. I have stage fright, and it was a little. I mean, I was obviously scared, but the way they like helped us throughout this whole thing, when I went up on that stage, I couldn't feel it. I felt amazing. I'm like just continuously blabbering now. I'm not saying anything that makes sense, but yeah, it was my first theatre fest, which was amazing. Like I've said this so many times, I had so much fun, and I obviously didn't vlog a lot during this time because I didn't want to. But in the upcoming fests or like in blooms, blossoms, whatever we have, I'm definitely going to vlog, and you guys are definitely going to get more LMP content. So stay tuned. I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, make sure to let me know. And yeah, have a great day, guys. I love you all.